With the TELETASK home automation system, your new house will be connected and always be close to you. Wherever you are, in your chair, hotel, car, office, or on your bike. With 35 years of experience and presence in 40 countries, we can optimize the use of your residential technologies. With our unique integration, your life will become more comfortable, safe, and sustainable. Therefore, TELETASK offers a wide range of solutions so you and your family can forget about the complexity of individual systems and apps. No matter the architectural style and size of your project, and the more challenging it is, the more it fits our philosophy. Our products are designed and manufactured in Belgium. Hard and software engineers design the products to be built by robots, who guarantee the highest quality level. Later on, during the final assembly process, all products pass an individual quality control, ready to be shipped to our most demanding international customers. The TELETASK philosophy is to make complex systems simple but sophisticated, discrete and attractive, modular and flexible, for today and the decades to come. Enjoy your house or apartment with the most refined comfort and security. Let's start your dream together.